A very warm morning to one and all present here. Namaskar. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on this special occasion of Annual Day. This day is very special in our school calendar as we are celebrating 38th Annual Day of our school. Today we come together not just to celebrate a day, not just to enjoy a day, not just to mark a day inside the calendar, but to celebrate our achievements, talent and dedication of our children. This day holds great significance for our school as we gather to celebrate creativity of our children. The more you praise and celebrate the life, the more there is a life to celebrate. Today, Central Academy celebrating its 38th annual day, and I would like to mention that Central Academy continues to grow with flying colors. Dear parents or dignitaries, I would like to tell you that Central Academy nurturing 1,50,000 students across 76 branches in 35 cities, spanning 4 states, and we are truly proud to be a part of such a remarkable institution. The guiding force behind every success, the guiding light behind every success of this institution is our esteemed founder, respectful chairman sir, and honorable ma'am director Lakshya Mishra ma'am. Although they could not join us today due to their prior commitments, they could not attend the program. We offer our humble pranam, respectful gratitude, profound pranam to them. With their blessings, the school continues to grow and achieve new milestones. It's a matter of great pride and privilege to welcome our today's guest of honor, MLA Beguj Todgad, Dr. Suresh Dhakar. Sir, we are sincerely grateful to you for accepting our invitation and honoring this occasion with your esteemed presence. Thank you for making our annual day more memorable, sir. आपकी उपस्थिति साहस देती है, प्रेरणा देती है सर, और आपकी जो कार्यशैली है, जो वर्किंग स्टाइल है, मैंने देखी है। कई बार छोटी छोटी रील्स जो आती है उसमें मैं देखता हूं कि किस तरीके से आप जो है सोशल कॉज जो करते हो, लोगों से करवाते हैं, और शायद यही एक आपकी लोकप्रियता का चरम सीमा जो मैंने देखी है, यही एक कारण है कि समाज के लिए बढ़ चढ़ के किसी भी हद तक जाकर, किसी भी लिमिट तक जाकर आप काम करवाते हैं सर। आपकी उपस्थिति प्रेरणादायक है। आपका बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद पधारने के लिए। माननीय एमएलए साहब, एक बार स्वागत, जोरदार तालियों से। We extend our warm and respectful welcome to our वरिष्ठ पत्रकार, संपादक ललकार ग्रुप, Mr. Anil Saxena. We feel privileged to have you with us and thank you for gracing the occasion with your esteemed presence, sir, by Anil Saxena. I also express my sincere respect, my gratitude, my respectful gratitude to our executive administrator, Sir Shivangam Vas, sir, for gracious presence despite their busy schedule. Sir, your constant guidance and valuable support continue to enhance and uphold the legacy of Central Academy. On this special day, I would like to offer my sincere regards to Dr. Shalini Dixit ma'am, CEC head, Central Academy Group of Schools, whose guidance and encouragement are always a source of strength. I am honored to acknowledge the gracious presence of Ankitji Bagaria, we truly value your time and support, sir. And finally, I would like to welcome our parents. Your presence is our greatest honor. You are the heartbeat of this organization and the strength behind every smile on the stage. We are truly grateful for your support. Please give a heartfelt round of applause for your constant support. Parents, आप अपने लिए एक बार तालियां बजाइए. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for honoring us with your valued time. Now, we reflect on the year gone by. We take immense pride in sharing remarkable accomplishments of our students. The academic year 24-25 has been exceptional year marked by outstanding board results and competitive achievements. In class 12, Jay Palod topped science with 95.2 percentage. Anusha Chandel led commerce with 95.8 percentage, and humanities was taught by Chetna Dhakar and Vachika both scored 95.6 percentage. Several students secured a perfect 100. Chemistry, geography, painting, even in mathematics, students have got 100 out of 100. 17 students of class 12 and 30 students of class 10 scored above 90%. Our students also excelled in Olympiads, winning 83 gold medals this year. 17 students qualified for level 2. A proud highlight was Amritendu Dev, who secured international rank 13 in mathematics and 83 in science. These milestones form a promising beginning. In continuation of this success, our students have shown commendable performance in NEET, JEE and CA, and more than 7 have been selected for D University. In cultural arenas, 2 our students made us proud. This year, our students excelled across a wide range of co-curricular activities, debates, science exhibition, the Shark Tank Venture Innovation Challenge, and several inter-school competitions. Talents like Kritiraj Jala and Gorika Chaudhary earned notable distinctions. In the Bharat Vikas Parishad, our junior students secured 2nd position, and proudly this marked our 3rd consecutive 1st position at the district level group competition. In Mewar University competitions, our students achieved 1st position in solo song, 2nd position in group song, and our budding artist secured 3rd position in art constant at Sainik School and Mewar University. Our students not only excel in studies but are equally good in sports. This year has truly been a golden chapter in the sports history of Central Academy. Our young athletes earned an outstanding 53 state selections and 3 national selections, a testament to hard work and their discipline. At national level, we proudly celebrate Ishan Sen, Kritiraj Jala, Ishan Solanki, who showcased excellence, sportsmanship, and dedication. Alongside achievements, the students also move forward in terms of growth and development. This year, school continued to advance with a clear vision of holistic development and future-ready education. Classrooms were upgraded into smart learning spaces, a fully surveillance-enabled campus ensured safety and monitoring. A new RO plant has been installed to provide clean drinking water. Sports facilities were strengthened with a badminton court, cricket net, netball balls. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a big news. Central Academy is all set to shine even brighter with its brand new ultra-modern branch at Shanti Kheda Road, Chittorgarh. With centralized AC rooms, high-speed lifts, 24/7 CCTV cameras, smart class technology and safe class-friendly furniture. It truly brings world-class learning to life. Admissions begin from 14th January 2026 from this coming year, and this extraordinary milestone has been made possible by our respected Chairman Sir and Ma'am, whose unwavering support and fulfilled promise have created the brilliant school. At Central Academy, we believe that true education extends far beyond textbooks. It shapes character, awakens courage, nurtures creativity, cultivates wisdom, and builds responsibility. Thank you for placing your trust in Central Academy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you.